1. Talk openly and honestly with each other. 2. Pay attention when your partner is speaking. 3. Say thank you for the little things. 4. Try to understand how your partner feels. 5. Don't be afraid to seek clarity. 6. Share your thoughts instead of assuming. 7. Express your needs clearly. 8. Learn to resolve disagreements calmly. 9. Spend meaningful moments together. 10. Keep your own interests and friends. 11. Respect each other's personal space. 12. Hug, kiss, and hold hands often. 13. Surprise each other now and then. 14. Be honest and reliable. 15. Say sorry when you're wrong. 16. Let go of past mistakes. 17. Avoid tallying who did what. 18. Encourage each other's goals. 19. Trust and boost self-esteem. 20. Remember your partner's needs. 21. Be patient, especially during tough times. 22. Divide household tasks fairly. 23. Cheer for each other's victories. 24. Understand how you show love. 25. Balance us and I time. 26. Don't hesitate to consult a therapist. 27. Stay calm in fights and avoid rash decisions. 28. Problem solve together and collaborate on solutions. 29. Find joy and humor together. 30. Your relationship is one of a kind. 31. Keep improving individually. 32. Small acts of love and little things matter. 33. Share dreams and build a future together. 34. Open sexual dialogue and talk about desires openly. 35. Try new things to keep the excitement alive.